Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Like I said the other week, I didn't tell the plants I was giving up on this year's growing season. Potatoes that I planted, I think it was back in April, and I have just left them to it. Considering the heat and lack of rain we had, this still were going great guns. And so yesterday I thought I'll have a look, see what the potatoes have done. And out of this patch, which is about 2.5 foot square, something like that. No, I'd say it's 2.5 foot wide by about possibly 4 foot in length. I got all these potatoes, and I've got shed loads left. This week I think it's thinking out what I'm going to do with all these potatoes. Now, because they aren't potatoes, that's just rubbishy, what was left of broad beans. But I've got about, that's the water of my washing machine, 3 or 4 times as many as I've got there. And yes, Mason did help pull the potatoes up for me, because he was digging in the ground and uncovered a few potatoes for me, and then covered a few more up. But yeah, that's the potatoes. Mason, bye.
It's a perfect situation. It's when the bad news bears for me a bag of temptation. It's what a